There are plenty of bidet attachments out there, but how many actually change how you feel about your bathroom routine? The SAMODRA Bidet attachment promises non-electric simplicity, dual nozzles for front and rear wash, and self-cleaning functionality. But is it really worth installing? I've installed and tested a variety of bidet attachments, from budget models to premium seats. And I can tell you this, the SAMODRA slots into that sweet spot where value meets functionality. It's not a full luxury bidet seat, but for most people, it might just hit the right balance. Here's what stands out to me. Non-electric, meaning no outlet, no heated seat, no fancy remote, just a smart, simple upgrade for your fanny. It has dual nozzles. You get one for rear wash and one that aims towards the front for the lady in your life. Many users note this is a really nice touch. It has adjustable water pressure. You simply twist the control to go from gentle to stronger spray. And finally, it has just a simple, slim design. It fits under many existing toilet seats without major change to the height or profile. Installing it took me about 20 minutes. And in real use, I found it very comfortable and surprisingly efficient. Stepping out of the traditional wipe routine felt much cleaner. The non-electric simplicity means I never have to worry about power, wires, or complicated settings. Subtle, but meaningful. There are a few things to keep in mind. This is a cold water unit only, so if you live in a really cold climate and the cold water is shockingly chilly, that might matter to you. Because it's slim and non-electric, you won't get features like heated seat, warm water, automatic drying. If you want those, yeah, you'll need to upgrade to a higher end. While the installation is pretty straightforward, if you have odd plumbing of any kind, you might run into a little more work. Some users have noted seat clearance concerns on certain toilets. Overall, the SAMODRA Bidet attachment does what a good bidet attachment should. It upgrades your hygiene experience, it's relatively easy to live with, and doesn't force you into a huge budget or full remodel. If you're looking for a sensible, effective bidet upgrade, especially if you rent or want minimal installation fuss, this is a serious one to consider. I've added it to my bathroom and expect it to be there for some time. If you're curious about making the switch from toilet paper only to bidet every day, this one could be your gateway.